They have original chicken, spicy chicken, original beef, spicy beef. Assalamualaikum. Oh, baru sebulan buat ni bisnes. Irresistible food. Alhamdulillah. Sama. InsyaAllah dipermudahkan semua. Amin, Allahumma amin. She does delivery also, but I chose to come and collect. You hungry not? Let's go. The popiah cute lah, man. Smell, can smell the Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ching. The filling of the chicken. Yeah, it's full filling. Got flavor. This is the spicy beef. One bite can taste the chili really. Okay. I prefer with the chili. I think the kids will love the one without chili lah, original one. Their TikTok. Oh, simply irresistible food. You can DM them at both IG and TikTok. Their WhatsApp 98344915. So, insyaAllah, pemudahkan. Thank you very nice.